But speaking of tokenized stocks, let's just give a quick shout out to Roxom Exchange, because like if you guys want to trade tokenized stocks with your BTC, Roxom Exchange is still the ultimate easiest platform for you to do so. So like how it works is very simple. We have like a bunch of Bitcoin treasuries, of course like MSTL being the number one. You can actually trade the global market. So any stocks right here using your BTC. So you could buy Nvidia using a BTC, or Google, Amazon, Apple, basically all the major and most popular stocks that you could actually find, and if you want to trade that with your BTC. Another thing I do want to mention, which is a really hot product right now on Roxom TV, so being STRC. So STRC right now is offering 11.5%. So when you buy STRC, so how it works is that the stock is par at the value of $100 per share. So that's really good, but the yield is constantly adjusting. Why adjusting is basically to attract people to buy more STLC. If it goes too high, of course the yield would go down. So how this is how the mechanism works. So right now it's offering a very insane 11.5% APR, so people are very happy. But when you buy STLC on other platforms, you're still earning that yield in USD. While on Roxom, actually everything, we just like to think of the mentality in Bitcoin. Because at the end of the day, you don't want a failing currency like USD. Any fiat currency in this world are meant to lose value over the long term, but BTC is doing the opposite thing. So that's why we always encourage viewers to think everything, not just in USD value, but also in BTC value, because that is the appreciating asset. You don't want some depreciating asset like any fiat currencies in the world, not just the USD. But anyways, this is the gist of it, of Roxom Exchange. Right now, so there are another one that is really hot. So STLC, of course, being the number one. And SATA, so SATA, we covered that a little bit. We have like a standalone segment explaining how SATA works as well. Of course, is coming from Strive, the company. So this one, the whole UI UX is really simple. So you're just swapping BTC. So let's say SATA, that's for Strive. So if you want to swap from your BTC to your SATA, just like one click right now. So it's really easy to use. That is the idea. But like there are a lot of features that are coming to retail users of Roxom Exchange soon. Right now, there are a lot of features only available to OTC desk, but like I could tease out a little bit, like because it's going to be coming out in like a week or 2 weeks for retail. So like one thing that I really like about the how easy to use for on Roxom Exchange is that we have this like Bitcoin lending. So we're basically borrowing the idea of Aave. So you know how Aave, I'm sure a lot of viewers have touched some DeFi or used some lending protocol before. So like on Aave, for example, let's say you're supplying some Ethereum, you can actually borrow some of that Ethereum, like borrow some USD against your Ethereum. So you could put like 50% LTV. So like you borrow, let's say you put $100 worth of Ethereum, you can actually take out $50 or $50 of the loan from the $100 worth of Ethereum. So what you do is that you take that $50 to buy more Ethereum, and then you're basically looping the whole thing. So that is the Aave loop. So what it does here for Roxom TV, again, like this feature is right now available on OTC desk, but like retail, it will come out in a week or two. So like this is like the feature that I really like. So how it works is basically you take the same idea from Aave, you put it to STLC. Because like right now, Roxom has also the lending feature. So let's say you have some Bitcoin, so $100 of Bitcoin, you put that as collateral and you take out a loan of some USDT. So you get some USDT and the borrow cost is around like 7.25%, which is the lowest compared to all the lending protocols, whether it's Nexo or Ledin, any protocol out there. So 7.25%, a really low borrow rate. So what you do is that you take out that USDT, that loan against your BTC, and you put that, or maybe you purchase more BTC or you purchase STRC. So that's the case. So for STRC, the carry trade, so once you take out that loan, you take that USDT, you could buy more STRC, so you looping. In other words speaking, you are earning that difference. So you are earning that 11.5% and you're paying that 7.25% difference. So that is another a really good strategy people use. So that will bring you a 4.25% profit. So very safe profit. So this is called the STLC carry trade. Again, right now, these feature, I know it sounds really good, very attractive. At the moment, it's only available for OTC desk, but we will, for Roxom TV, I believe they will launch out in a week or two. So do stay tuned for retail users if you want to try out these amazing features. Of course, I'll leave all the links of Roxom TV in the description box below. So do stay tuned and do follow Roxom Exchange on X so you know when these amazing feature will get launched and available to retail, not just OTC desk.